Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect X Empire to your Telegram wallet and make a test transaction. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Simply go to the X Empire mini app on Telegram and then go to Connect Wallet. From here, you're going to open wallets in Telegram and agree to the terms of use and then continue. From here, you're going to start exploring Ton and then view the Ton space and then click on Connect Wallet. Once your wallet has been officially connected, now we want to make a test transaction. Now we are on the Ton wallet right here, and as you can see, the Ton Space Beta right here, we have transactions. How do you want to add a crypto? Click continue and then choose your currency. From here, you're going to add however much ton you would like and then click on continue after verification. Once you fill in all your information, first name, last name, and date of birth, make sure that the information matches the one on your passport or your ID so you can fill in the verification successfully. And once you do that, you can scan your face. And after that, you can go to the P2P market and then either buy or sell to test your transaction. And here you go. Now from the currency and the crypto, you can choose whatever you want and then choose whatever transaction you would like to try. You can set the payment method to Revolut or any other bank information that you would like and then create the order. Once you confirm the order, as you can see, there's your ton address and there's your copy address from here. Then go to the X Empire and make a ton transaction and then paste your ton wallet address and then click on confirm. And there you go. That's how you test the transaction. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.